Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we'll be talking about phonics, sound of letter A, and also few words which starts with the letter A. Sound of letter A is A. Axe. A arrow. A apple. Axe, arrow, apple. Here are few more words. A alligator. A ant. Alligator, ant. And few more words. A apricot. A army. A ambulance. Apricot, army, ambulance. Am. An. Act. At. Art. Arc. Add. An. Act, at. Art, arc, add. Hope you all learned something from this video. So these were the words which starts with the letter A. Thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about the sound of letter B. Thank you.